These are Bonine chewable tablets, and I've been using these for many, many years now. I personally deal with so many forms of motion sickness. I get car sick, seasick, altitude sickness, you name it. And this really helps keep it at bay. Nice thing about this is it comes in a blister pack, and I also like to keep these in different bags. So I have them in different purses, my briefcase, my luggage, I always keep them with me so that I don't have any issues, or I can mitigate any issues as I'm traveling. Something I do want to say is that it's best to take this ahead of any issues. Like if I'm going on a cruise, I start this at least the night before, sometimes 2 nights before. If I'm getting in a car, at least if I'm going on a road trip, I take this at least an hour before. So I find that if I start to feel motion sickness, it's hard to get control of it once it's set in. So it's best to take this early on. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So these contain 25 milligrams of Meclizine, and there's 16 tablets in a packet. The nice thing about it is that they are perforated, so you can split them in half if you like, if you don't need to take a whole dose. So when me and my daughters go on a cruise, the first couple nights we take one, and then, as we get further along in a cruise, I find that it's half a tablet works well, and I don't really need to take a whole tablet. But I prefer to take these at night and let them work, and that way I don't have to worry about anything. It's just in my system. So I usually take it in the evening around dinner time, and that's the way it works best for me. Anyway, they don't have a bad taste. They're chewable. It tastes like raspberry, a little fruity taste. Really easy to go down. So that's the really nice thing about it. Let me just take it out and show you one so you can see. And as I mentioned, that's what they look like up close. So I like to just break it in half. Sometimes, like I said, it's nice to be able to do that if you need to. And that way you can manage the dose if you don't need a full one. So like I said, when I'm cruising, I like to just use half a dose, and we just me and my daughters just split it. So anyway, I definitely recommend you getting any, medical guidance on dosage from your pediatrician or your physician, so to see what works best for your family and your situation. So definitely recommend these. Like I said, I've been using these for years. They're amazing. They work well, and I never have an issue as long as I get this in my system prior, especially on a cruise, and I love my cruises. If you're looking for a really good motion sickness reliever, definitely recommend Bonine.